Doria.
Sorry it took me so long. Is everyone on?
Tell him why you're late? I'm sure you... Izuku Midoriya. But he expected this to happen. Or maybe it's like everybody else does. That's right. Get mad. Come at me.
We haven't lost yet, Deku! I'm feeling super guilty. Got it, but stay strong. Shot is doing everything he can to save Bakugo's life as we... That's the mindset you need to battle with. We haven't lost...
Trying to fill his head with delusions. That's called...
Then who's going to make sure they become reality?
You're right, Lemillion. All for one. Is Shigaraki still somewhere inside of that body?
He's still in there.
You should prepare yourself. Because Black Whip with Vagine stored inside. Black Chain! I'm going to stop you. Second gear! Top gear!
Where did he go?
Shift! Overdrive!
And at this moment, Izuku Midoriya...
Detroit! Let's end this. Right now. Detroit Smash!
Next move. Well, there.
Smoke screen!
Cheap trick.
I'm going to Gearshift Overdrive. Back with every power available to me.
Abilities aren't the most important thing in play. True power is born of a quirks are nothing.
This is it all for one! Shut up, damn it!
Without the hero behind them!
Your fight is over! I won't allow you to hurt anybody else!
Insignificant pests, every last one of you!